Hi guys, welcome back. Cryptocurrency market, and you're looking at the Bitcoin. It's been quite some time since the last time we covered the Bitcoin, and it's just going exactly as expected, right? The conviction we have for a very long time now is price hitting eventually before the end of this downside correction phase, right? Reaching the level of 4,750. That's right, 4,750. That level. I didn't come up. This level is not a random type of level that I just come up with. It's actually a very significant 76.4 last level of correction for the whole upside movement all the way to 20,000. So and that level will represent a full downside correction, which I expect. Mostly because of the previous explosion in price, right? That was not a normal or a typical upside trend. That was an explosion in price, and it was such an intense upside move that the very least you can expect is a full 76.4 downside correction. So, in order to accomplish that downside correction, we need to reach the level of 4,750, which I have been preaching for a very long time. So it looks like we are going to, obviously we're closing in on that target, right? So, I have no intention in buying Bitcoin at the moment, as long as, we're still aiming at that level. But once we do reach that level, now this is the important part of what I have to say. Now, once we reach that level, that's where we want to get in very strongly, right? That's where we want to pick up Bitcoin as strongly as possible. Because, obviously we want to start small at the beginning just to make sure that it actually begins to turn around, and then to increase the position as it visibly does that. Because that would be the sign of a new bullish phase, right? So I think we need to hold on for probably few more weeks. I would say at the most. This could be closed in a few days, but it would probably take a week or two to reach that level, and then price will begin the bottoming out phase. That could also take a week or so. So it should be interesting. Aside from the fact that it's going exactly as planned, I should also probably mention a weak kind of support level that should be reached very soon. Take a look. I'm talking about the previous two lows, right? The previous two lows are kind of double bottom, but and price is almost reaching that level. It's around 6,500. Now, I don't think price will actually, I don't think the negative momentum will be broken by that support. That support level. It's not, like I said, it's a weak element. It's not a strong element. But for those of you who hold short position on the Bitcoin, doing margin trading, then you might be you might be interested in taking some profit at that level, 6,500. All right. So there you go. Still very much bearish on the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency as a whole, as a matter of fact. And we're going to stay that. It looks like we're going to stay that in that position in the near future. So there you go. That's about that for this one. I'll definitely follow up and keep you posted. See you in the next one.